Can't tell him nothing. He has to do it his way.
All I gotta do is make it fit in.
Once you make it fit in there, you still gotta dig out a hole on the inside of it, don't you?
I'm gonna cut a hole on the inside, yeah. First, I need to make it fit in there. Find the file. You know what I'm saying? What's that mallet?
Oh boy. When you bang it in there, how you gonna get it out?
Put it back out with a file. The mallet, I mean, why I'm hot.
No, this is why I'm hot.
I don't think so at all. This is why I'm hot.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Why are you hot?
Do I have to answer that question?
Tell the world why you're hot.
Because I'm fly.
And?
You ain't because you're not. I mean, it's obvious. You know what I'm saying? This is exactly why I'm hot.
You talking like you can make this track without saying a thing and sell 1 million copies or something.
I can make it a million. Say nothing.
Just filing.
Not a dog thing. You know what I'm saying? Not a damn thing. I don't even say nothing.
You can just file on the track.
That's it.
File.
That's exactly why I'm hot. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm hot. I know you can't figure it out. But one of these days you'll get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is why he's hot. See? That's the comedic. This is the side that, this is like the Loch Ness Monster. You've heard of it, but you've never seen him for yourself. This is the side you've never seen for yourself. I've been telling y'all he's funny. I've been trying
to destroy that tape.
Y'all didn't know he was a rapper. You are funny. Okay, we'll be back.
I just need to pop pieces. Popcorn stuff.
We'll be back. Stay tuned.
You're not gonna try to go home and email it real quick, so I,
That's a good idea.
I don't have no space.
It's too big.
Yeah, it's too big. It's way too big.